So these are the blue, lovely maroon and pink dial. Just got it on hands, and the Kedar Premium and Kanchan Premium. Lovely. Oh, there's one Himalayan for sale as well. Nice. So this is the beautiful Himalayan available, only single piece available here. And just now I took the maroon and the pink, lovely pink again. And this is the HMT lineup for you guys. Black, maroon, pink and the Himalayan. Wonderful. So as you saw, I got lucky today and I just completed my long lasting wish to have a Kohinoor maroon dial, and it's very lovely. I'll be showing it. I got a pink as well. Those two, or in fact all of these three, were only single item left at the store, and I was lucky enough that I was nearby and I just visited, and the guy was at the store was kind enough to let me have the last pieces of these, and I got a very special watch for one of our subscriber who I recently got in touch with. His name is Akash Chakravarti, and he just wanted a Kohinoor maroon or any HMT watch, Stellar watch, automatic, not any, sorry, HMT Stellar watch which had a 40 dial, but that was sadly out of stock. And he actually got lucky today because he got a Himalaya, Kohinoor HMT Himalaya, that too in the blue shade. You can see, I'll be showing you the close-up video now itself. You must have been watched it in the starting of the video. I was wearing two. One was the black Kohinoor which I own, and this the new watch HMT Himalaya. This was the only single piece left at the store. Then I got this lovely pink dial again, but not for me. This will be for my friend Ruman sir, and this will be for going to the West Bengal. And he's so kind enough, and he just saw the video, he also liked it. Actually I wanted to have it, but I can manage with Kohinoor. I have already one black, one pink, and the new one I added recently is that this lovely maroon. So I had either the option of maroon or the Himalaya, so I had to let this go for him. I couldn't possibly get his mood off by not letting him buying either one of this. So yeah, this is all the three which I bought today with my black dial and a pink dial. This is for Ruman sir, Ruman Devmane. He is a great enthusiast, bullet enthusiast, automobile enthusiast. He has recently started his channel. I'll add his details in the descriptions. This will be for the upcoming great singer Akash Chakravarti, and this is for me. Finally, a maroon Kohinoor. Sadly, it is a Quartz, but the Kohinoor automatic dial is too much big, and I'm not so much of fond of that. But I'll be waiting for a 21 joules Kanchan. I don't know whether they'll launch it in stainless steel but currently they have a golden version of it, which I don't like. That is a deal breaker for me. So yeah, let's show you the close up of all these three watches. Also, I'll be attaching the review video of Akash Chakravarti after this close up video. While he is wearing it, I'll ship it to him. He'll wear it, he'll add his two words in his video, and I'll attach that video here itself. I don't know how, but yeah, they say it is in his destiny, so he got it luckily, and I'm happy with the maroon, pink and the black. So let's show you the close up of the Himalaya and the maroon, the most demanded. So as I promised, this is the close up for each dial. This is the ultimate of HMT one could get possibly. Very beautiful and very beautiful lineup. Yeah, so this is the lovely Kohinoor HQ pink dial, and this is the Himalaya, which they launched around, I don't know the exact date, but it was a bunch of enthusiast guys who collaborated with HMT and possibly launched this wonderful watch for all of us. Sadly, I don't remember their names, but yeah, surely all the watch enthusiasts will mention their name legacy in the comments below. And thanks to them, thanks to all of you. There's still cover on the top portion, so I couldn't remove it. I'll be shipping it to Ankush Chakravarti, and we will wait for his review video, what he has to say after this video itself, in this video itself. So look how good it is. The sunburst effect also you can notice here. The indicators, hour indicator, minute indicators is different along with this dial, unique dial. Lovely, lovely. Himalaya, the true one can get from HMT is all these three items, and this, the lovely maroon, which is in most demand. The sunburst effect you can see. I'm not sure if I'm making justice here, but at least you can see the dial. Beautiful, beautiful. So my quest for HMTs are over for Quartz, at least, because I have the Kohinoor pink, Kohinoor maroon HMT, and then there's this black. This is for my daily use, and this will be my occasional, maybe on special occasions, and this will be for the Ankush Chaudhary. Great guy, humble guy, and very sweet voice he has. So I'll be shipping this to him today or maybe tomorrow itself, and I'll be adding his review in this video itself after it will get shipped. So I'm recording this on the day of purchase. I'll be shipping this watch to him, and he'll, after his delivery, he will get delivery, he'll share his video. So yeah, ultimate one could get from HMT. Thank you guys. Keep watching G2 Bullet. We have now memberships option as well. Keep supporting so that I could bring more interesting things for you in bullets or now in watches as well. I'll be mostly limited to the HMT. Not much interested into watches, but I'll love to have a HMT automatic soon if I get chance, and any other automatic I'm considering from India, which will have a maybe Japanese movement, I don't know. I'm thinking shortlisted some or the other, but mostly I'm happy with one or two mechanical, automatic, of which one would be HMT, and the Quartz I have 3. So that's it. Yeah, this is the close up again for the HMT Kohinoor HQ, HMT Himalaya HQ again, but a very lovely dial, very lovely color as well, and the most lovely color of all of them, or maybe all are the lovely colors. Yeah, thank you.
हाय शुभम भाई, मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूँ, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एक्चुअली. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट. एक्चुअली वॉच कलेक्टर होते हुए, वॉच का शौकीन होते हुए, मुझे एक चीज़ बोलना है कि 2026 में आके ऐसा एक इंसान के साथ मुलाकात, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत खुशी की बात है कि आपके साथ मेरा मुलाकात हुआ है. अब रूबरू होने का टाइम है. कब मिलेंगे पता नहीं. आप आ जाओ बंगाल, नहीं तो मुंबई मिलेंगे, नहीं तो मैं खुद बेंगलुरु आ जाऊंगा. कहीं ना कहीं तो मुलाकात होगा. बट वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल पीस, HMT Himalaya Quartz, and it is my first HMT watch. आप अगर नहीं भेजते तो ये मेरे पास नहीं आता. अब मेरा प्लानिंग है कि एक ऑटोमेटिक वॉच लेना, और वो भी आपको ही भेजना पड़ेगा. और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि आपने मेरे लिए मेरे साथ आपका कनेक्शन बना है थ्रू योर यूट्यूब वीडियो, जो कि ना बेस्ड है HMT बेंगलुरु शोरूम के ऊपर. मैंने सर्च कर रहा था तो आपका वीडियो मिल गया. जिस दिन आपके साथ मेरा बात हुआ है उसके नेक्स्ट डे आपने शोरूम विज़िट किए और मेरे लिए इतना प्यारा सा चीज़ आपने ढूंढ के लाए, और उसका नेक्स्ट दिन ही आपने शिपिंग कर दिए और आज मेरे पास आ गया. परचेज़ डेट था 3rd of August और आज है 7th of August, जो कि ना मेरे पास आके पहुंच गया और इतना अच्छा पैकेजिंग के साथ. So it's only because of you, man. Thank you so much once again for sending me this beautiful piece of HMT. And I hope कि मेरा ऑटोमेटिक भी आप बहुत जल्दी सेंड करेंगे ऐसे ही. और थैंक यू. टेक केयर ब्रो. होप विल सी यू सून. जय गुरुदेवा.